Dear students, today we discuss the rule of narration. In narration, we have two type of sentences: direct speech, indirect speech. Direct speech has two part. For example, we have a sentence: he said to me, comma, inverted comma, begin. What can I do for you? In this sentence, he said to me show the reporting verb. What can I do for you shows the reported speech. When we like to change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech, then we have to make three changes. The first one is person change. We have three person: first person, second person, third person. First person: I, my, me, we, our, us. All these show the first person. You, your, you. All these show the second person. Third person: he, his, him, she, her, her. They, their, them, it, its, it. All these show the third person. When we have to change the sentence from direct to indirect speech, then we have a formula of person change: S O N 1 2 3. Here S stand for subject, O stand for object, N stand for no change. 1 stand for first person, 2 stands for second person, 3 stands for third person. When we find the first person in reported speech, then we change it according to the subject of reporting verb. When we find the second person in reported speech, then we change it according to the object of reporting verb. Third person, like he, his, him, she, her, her, they, their, them, it, its, it, will not change. The second change is tense change. First form change into second form. Is, are, am change into was, were. Has, have change into had. Second form change into had plus third form. Was, were change into had been. Will change into would. Shall change into should. May change into might. Can change into could. नोट: यदि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में हैज़ सेड, हैव सेड, सेज, विल से, शैल से हो तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के टेंस को चेंज नहीं करते हैं. द थर्ड चेंज इज this change into that, these change into those, here, there, now, then, thus, so, today, that day, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, ago, before, tonight, that night, now, then, hence, thence, hither, thither. Now we take the some sentences of direct speech. For example, Sita says, comma, invert comma, begin, I shall come to see the picture. In this sentence, in reporting verb, we have says, so the tense of the reported speech will not change. When we remove the inverted commas, then we put that there. Sita says that I is the first person, so it change according to the subject of reporting verb. The subject of the reporting verb is Sita, which is male, so we change I into she. Sita says that she will come to see the picture. Now we take the next sentence. He says the train will be late. He says that the train is third person, so it will not change. He says that the train will be late. The third sentence, he says she lives in Amritsar. Again, in reporting verb, we have says, so we will not change the tense of the reported speech. He says that. When we remove the commas, then we put that there. He says that she is third person, so it will not change. He says that she lives in Amritsar. Ram will say, comma, inverted comma, begin, I saw my teacher in the park. Again, in reporting verb, we have will say, so the tense of the reported speech will not change. The direct speech change into indirect speech in this way. Ram will say that I is first person, so it change according to the subject of reporting verb. The subject of the reporting verb is Ram, so I change into he. Ram will say that he saw. My is possessive case, so we take the possessive case of he, which is his. So my change into his. Ram will say that he saw his teacher in the park. My sister will say, I have seen the Jagannath Mandir at Puri. My sister will say that I is first person, so it change according to the subject of reporting verb. Subject of the reporting verb is my sister, so I change into she. My sister will say that she has seen the Jagannath Mandir at Puri. मैं तुम्हें कुछ डायरेक्ट स्पीच के सेंटेंसेस दे रहा हूँ जिनको तुम्हें सॉल्व करना है। ये तुम्हारा क्या होमवर्क है और अगले लेक्चर में हम इनके आंसर्स को क्या करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।